Hello everyone, today I'll be giving you an introduction to a solderable breadboard PCB. So this solderable breadboard is almost similar to a normal breadboard that we use. The only difference is that can be soldered later on, but a normal breadboard that is used only for a temporary purpose. This once connected can be soldered, as you can see here. So the connections are almost similar to a breadboard. As you can see here, the vertical lines are all internally connected, as you can see here, and here the power and the ground are also internally connected, as you can see back. So only thing is we can just connect it here, and later on if you want we can solder it and just use it as a normal PCB. So here we can see here, this is all vertical lines, and these ground and the powers are all in the horizontal lines. So with this we can connect a normal connect circuit and we can solder it later on later. The difference is that sometimes in breadboards we can see that there will be some loose connections when we connect for different normal circuits or simple circuits, but here you can see that once it is soldered, there is no loose connections and we can get the perfect output that we could require. And now let's just see a simple circuit using a solderable breadboard PCB. So here you can see many circuits there are connected here, and you can see they are also soldered behind. So it just works as a normal breadboard. So here you can see this one acts as a power supply. Here actually you can see here power supply, and you can see here the ground. So all the pins, all the circuits that are connected to this negative are connected to the ground, and here connected to the power supply, that is the positive, as you can see here, is given to the power. So here this side also the ground is connected to the ground and the positive is given to the positive. So whichever circuit is connected to that respective is given to the power or ground respectively. So from here, from this plus, we can connect a power supply, 5 volt supply, and from the negative we can connect it to the ground. So with this we can see how a simple circuit is done, and here behind you can see that it is soldered. So we can just make it to work as a breadboard plus like a PCB also. Now we'll see a simple demonstration of how a simple circuit can be made from a solderable breadboard PCB.